Let's talk about Smartmi's air purifier. What new features does it have? This is an exquisite air purifier that focuses on pollen filtration. It is suitable for living room, kitchen, bedroom, and even bathroom. Smartmi can be controlled by voice via mobile phone.
Hey Siri, open Smartmi.
It perfectly integrates into your family. Smartmi Air is equipped with PM2.5, PM10 laser particle sensor. Not this laser. The LED touchscreen displays the 4 colors corresponding to the pollen, from good to bad. Let you check indoor air quality at a glance. So now you know why you're allergic. Smartmi 360-degree cylindrical design is equipped with H13 True HEPA filter system, 3-stage air filtration. It captures 99.97% of dust and allergens, as small as 0.3 microns, such as pollen, formaldehyde, mold spores, cigarette smell, pet odors, and hair. Smartmi is very suitable for use at home, avoiding the trouble of air pollution.
This is Jonathan Bigliotti reports from the fire zone.
4 airflow options can automatically adjust the air quality and purify up to 35 square meters of space. The automatic mode automatically adjusts the fan speed based on the particles detected in the room. Ultra low noise, so you can sleep at ease at any time. Smartmi can be connected to other smart devices, allowing you to check the air quality at home and remotely control it anytime, anywhere.
Hey Google, open the air purifier.
The Smartmi app allows you to keep track of the filter status at any time. Quick installation. The service life of Smartmi filter element can be used up to 14 months. No matter where you are at home, Smartmi can bring you the freshest air.